I'm excited to introduce Aarohan 2025 11th edition, the Annual Amrita Science Fest, hosted by Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham, Bengaluru Campus on the 17th and 18th January 2025. This is an initiative to foster a bond between the institution of higher education with schools. We have several competitions in store, project exhibitions, and hands-on workshops on interesting topics like drones and IoT. All of this will be connected in two categories: junior category for class 8 to 10 and senior category for classes 11 and 12. Winners get certificates and cash prize worth 1 lakh, and the schools with most victories will be awarded the overall champions. Registrations are free, and we are thrilled to welcome more than 50 schools and 1,500 plus participants. So don't miss, join us and let's make this a memorable event. See you at Amrita Aarohan 2025 11th edition.